So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And now, nandito na kami sa tapat ng castle, which you say in Danish, Slot. And in German, it's Schloss. So I have no idea kung anong meron dito sa castle na ito. Pero sa labas pa lang, makikita mo na talagang napakaganda niya na. And makikita nyo na napakaayos, very proper. And I think it's still existing castle. So malapit lang ito sa city. So ito rin ay located sa city ng Copenhagen and it's called Rosenborg Castle. So it's because of the bad weather. So makikita nyo, napakaraming tao doon sa likod. It's up to there. And lahat sila gustong pumunta ng castle. So sa daming tao na gustong pumunta ng castle, maybe itong castle na to talagang napaka-special niya. And tingnan natin, I'm so excited. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang castle na yung napuntahan namin, pero it looks very interesting. So here is my locker number 120. Because you cannot bring inside yung mga gamit mo. And you can bring the cameras, but then you cannot bring the space with you. So you have to deposit all your things dito sa locker. So now we're going inside. So meron kaming tour in about half an hour. Magkakaroon ng tour dito sa castle. So we are still waiting. Nakita nyo kanina yung castle guards. So they are very friendly naman and pinabayaan nila ako na kunan sila. So now we're going to the garden. Here sa garden, meron sila ditong water fish pan sa likod ko. Medyo madumi yung tubig. So welcome to the beautiful castle of Rosenborg. Behind me yung ito yung likod ng Castle Rosenborg. It's Rosenborg in German and makikita nyo napaka-romantic ng kanyang architectural building. It's made up of red bricks and yan, tingnan nyo ang mga tao binibisita nila. So, birthday din ng asawa ko ngayon and happy birthday to my loving husband. I wish you all well and don't forget na mahal kita. Thank you very much for being my husband. So it's very beautiful castle. Makikita mo pati yung garden, napakaganda niya. Pero nasa likod ko, parang sisirain ata nila yung garden. Keep off the grass, girls. And there are also group of people walking along the grass. So magiging talagang masisira yung grass nito balang araw. So this is a very impressive hall. Gustong-gusto ko tong castle na ito because ito yung lalagyan ng collections ng mga namumuno at ng mga reyna. And of course, yung mga trono nila na nandito sa likod ko. Napakaganda. Ultimo yung mga trono nila. Iba't ibang klase yung pagkakadisenyo ng mga muebles. And it's really beautiful. Katulad ng nandito sa likod ko. So, ayan yung trono na inuupuan marahil ng reyna o kaya ng hari dito sa Copenhagen, Denmark.